it's gonna pull you right up.
You like it, right?
No, it's not in any other part. No, when I backed this leg up, this went into me.
Yeah. Ow, that got me there. See, once it hooks there,
Dragged itself up.
and then you come all the way this way to clear it, and then you just all the way back to the right. So you gotta come up, and then this way, and then this way. It's like a zig. Oh, dude, you're fucking wide.
What's in there?
You don't have a carbine?
So far, only corrupt.
Team Corrupt. I don't know.
I got you. Let me know when you bring it out.
You gotta make it up now.
I want to
That,
see
that's
it.
the feeling.
My skid is on. That's it, I'm done.
Barely. On this side.
My skid is touched.
Yeah. No, he's.
I can't correct myself because I can't clear the gate to correct myself because I'm wide.
You didn't hit it yet.
I know.
Yeah.
Fucking tree got me. Yeah, I can't do the breakover part of it. I got up it easy.
Oh, dude, yes stuff.
Yeah, let me try one more time. Back up.
I did it.
Back up one more time. Back up. Let's try one more time.
Yeah, dude, you were like, right. Oh, Joe, this fucking thing went right up my ass.
Fucking thing.
Yo, it pinched me in my ass crack.
Bush. Fucking me up on my line, ruining my concentration.
Oh, you got a 24. Oh, this is nice. This is real nice,
That's
buddy.
the next class I want to get into.
Nice color.
What?
24.
This is a nice color. These are perfect for these locks are perfect for this thing. Oh, this is an adult drink. It's it. That was scary.
Touch it.
Yeah, you did. I was
Can't go
holding
that
it.
way. I gotta go the same way I went in.
And what is, you're so wide for this gate.
You know where I'm from, some guys would say you guys are cheating.
I touched the other gate.
Yeah, dude, you need more. Dude, you're not making it up.
Oh no, he had it.
Yeah, you had to keep going. Yeah. Really bad. If you look from this side.
Oh, beautiful,
Yeah,
beautiful.
I drove over the gate though.
Yeah, both
but
did.
you got to get up, right? So what happens? Like how many points is
Be
that?
careful with my chassis. 10 points.
10 points.
We pretty much killed the gate.
You just
I killed
okay.
it.
All right.
I was just trying to get around you. Oh man, the fucking bush untied my shoelaces.
All right. So
Nice.
so when me and Vinny are
Nice.
around, Doran, you gotta call me Vin.
You're Vin, he's Vin.
Okay, yeah, because you're hurting my neck.
Nobody shut to do it.
It's really Vincent RC in the phone.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's not bad. It has to work. And
guys, make room for him.
I have a Mr. Roan Schnitzer, my phone. Motherfucker don't know my last name. Well, you want me to change the, I wanted to change the Vin in the list.
Vin
and a list.
known as RC Vince.
Yo, it's so fucking weird. 50 degrees. 1 second it's snowing, one
Next
second.
But it's still snowing a little bit and the sun is bright.
Feels like.
Oh my god. And it's not cold, so it's good. Now it's good. It's good. Good temperature.